A testicle devil appeared and went apeshit on his nutsack, ma'am.
No, he's lying.
All right, the porn is secured. But when I fight a dude, it's nuts or nothing! Oh, yeah! Shit on a stick! Cough up the tits. Those are mine. Where there's a will, there's a way, and there's definitely a will.
Everyone's serious about this but you.
I understand what he meant now. And I found one or two things I'm serious about. The goal to give my life purpose is melons.
As in the fruit?
Idiot. Power? That's your name? Those horns, wait, hold up! A fiend devil hunter's gotta be breaking some kind of rule! I guess it's fine. Great to meet ya!
I won't argue that, but why's my place psychocentral?
You all just gotta talk smack about what I want, huh? It's revenge this, protect my family that, save my stupid kitty, blah blah blah. Think your big fancy ass goals make all of you hot shit? Then prove it! We'll have a dream battle royale right now! If I murderize you, this'll be settled! Touching titties will be the better drag! Ah, well, if it isn't the shit devil whose turds turn to cement and stick to the bowl. I really want to touch her boobs. Ow! Give me my super toast back!
Mortals, behold! The glory of the kill is mine!
All for a cat? That's dumb as hell. I know I'd go to some pretty extreme lengths to fondle some titties, though. Who said I'm protecting him? I don't give a shit about this guy! Not blood! The hell? Devils do house calls?
I have to ask, though. Think you're really up to it?
Of course I'm gonna need help.
Here, say
Finish it up in there! Don't sleep on the toilet!
Human! Supply prey for me, post-haste! I yearn for the savor of blood.
Jeez, stop making crap up!
Nay, I have made up no crap! But you told me to obliterate the target without question, so confess your sin!
They can retract, that's so cool!
The second its bulbous eyes gaze upon me, alas, the cat becomes a fluffy shield.
Stuck me with this devil repellent so I can't do anything cool. So we can
But you still need to die.
No way I'm dying till I've held some boobs.
Seriously?
I'm the type who seldom flushes my feces.
Not in this house.
That's nasty. Lying about lying proves you're guilty! Shit for brains!
It's human nature to speak falsehoods! You urged me to attack, thus I did!
Quit talking all funky to sound cooler than you are. Makes you even weirder.
Foul vegetables! Be gone!
Hey, do not throw your food!
What he said!
He said, I don't give a shit about this guy, and threw my car with me in it.
Yes, I do the cooking, yes, I do the cleaning. But I should repay you, yes? Somehow. So squeeze them gratefully.